Now the young chefs, they want to make recipes what the youth will love and that food that is going to be nice, crunchy and chatpata. So today we're going to make
Peri Peri Prawns.
peri peri prawns, crispy fried peri peri prawns and very easy to make. So first we're going to see how we're going to make the mixture. Take the prawn, cut it like a butterfly. Same thing, just take a prawn and cut it like a butterfly. So these prawns will become nice and crunchy. Now we're going to make a batter. Just move the prawns aside. For this batter, we're going to take corn flour, never mind, little extra. In this, add all-purpose flour, that is maida. And in this, we're going to add a little bit of baking powder because when these fry, you want a little bit of aeration there. That will give a crunchy effect for the prawns. And you can always double fry too. So, a little bit of baking powder. And now, in this, you can add your own masalas. Because it is going to be peri peri prawns, we're going to anyway sprinkle the peri peri masala on top. So, here, the first dose of peri peri masala, I'm going to add a little bit of, garam masala or chicken masala, whatever you want, you can add to this. I can feel the aroma. And prawns are excellent with crushed pepper. Little extra, fine. Little bit of ginger garlic paste and some yogurt. If you want, you can also add a little bit of lime juice. So I'm going to add yogurt and squeeze in a little bit of lime juice. Why don't you mix the batter? In the meanwhile, I'm going to
Salt.
see, salt. Because the peri peri masala already has some salt, be careful, add little less. I'm going to chop this curry leaf very fine. And if you want, you can also add pinch of water, but do not add too much. Finely cut curry leaf, add water and make it batter-like. And another trick is add few drops of oil. Now, this is the perfect consistency, loving consistency. Do not be in a hurry, always fry them in quite hot oil.
Always try to open the prawn just before frying so that the more surface area will be exposed and we will be getting more crunchier prawn.
Engineer Chef Pranav and surface area is talking about. And do not fry too many prawns at a time. That will make sure that the oil is nice and hot. If you want, you can also double fry them for the crispy texture. Nice and perfect first fry. Now, when you remove them, especially in the hotels, when we get the order, we do the first fry and we let it sit for 1 minute. You don't need to keep more than that. 1 minute, because the prawns, some of the moisture will start coming out. And when you do the flash fry the second time, that's when it is nice and crunchy. And do we have the plate ready for presentation?
Yes.
Wow. Look at this beautiful lettuce leaf, the size of the plate. This is all grown by our organic chef Pranav, engineer organic chef Pranav. And these lettuce is so tasty. These are iceberg lettuce. And you can just dip it in the sauce and just eat. And every night I'm eating a lot of salads. So 1 minute is over. Let's do this flash fry. Oil is hot. Do one flash fry. That's it. And that too only for like 30 seconds. And that's it. You have the nice crunchy prawn. Just put it on a tissue paper. Prawns traditionally are enjoyed with cocktail sauce. Cocktail sauce is
Mix of ketchup and mayonnaise.
Ketchup and mayonnaise. So here we have arranged it more decoratively. You can do that. The peri peri powder. In fact, in my earlier videos I have shown you can also buy the store bought. Just sprinkle a little bit of peri peri powder. The masala went in while marinating, and when it is done, once again. And arrange the crunchy, crispy peri peri fried prawns. So with Chef Pranav, we are even more getting digitalized, and we are going to teach you how to make your cooking videos with phone. Of course, when you have iPhone 12 Max Pro, the quality will be so excellent. They will be better than the professional cameras. So we are taking these pictures. We are just falling in love with this camera features, and so many features. Woo, woo, woo. The recipe that the youth will love, and look at feel the crunch. Take the bite.
Very crunchy.
Outside is crunchy, but it's a delicate crunch.
Yes.
Inside, the
Very
juicy
soft,
prawns.
juicy.
So that is what it is. And my goodness. And with, I chopped some of the garlic. Come on, get me the garlic. So with the cocktail sauce, you can also add a little bit of garlic. And now, try with the sauce. My goodness. Another thing, never do double dipping. If you are doing double dipping means that you're going to eat the rest of it yourself. So this is double dip. Now, thank you very much. I like your creative interest. We're going to show them how to eat the lettuce too.
We can make instant wraps with it.
Look at the lettuce. Such beautiful. And when my friends, lot of friends came in, we made experiment with it and we just fell in love with this wraps. Just take one, put chicken, anything. We're going to make a chicken 65 wrap for you guys later. And my goodness, this is just too good. Aha. See, I already double dipped it.
I'll eat without sauce. Who wants the sauce when I have peri peri prawns?
Oh. The crunch is really good. Only thing is, you got to serve it immediately so that the guest, the customer enjoys it thoroughly.
Yes.
Dear friends, we're going to have a lot of recipes with the wonderful creative chef Pranav also on my side. And keep cooking. Enjoy great food. Enjoy great life. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye guys.